Okay, your boy is back. Finally, traded again after all this time. Um, Let me just hop into replay and go all the way here so we can cut out all that mess. But yeah, this is the trade I hit. Very excited. This is the first time I have hit this bottom tick live. I've been back testing it. Honestly, I really do like the model. Got like a 70% win rate, but I know that's because I haven't done it enough. And yeah, like overall the win rate should be a lot less, like 60-50. But I don't think I've done it enough. But still, tonight I thought I would just try it out. But anyways, going into the 4 hour, I didn't check any other higher time frames. I just started off the 4 hour. But the daily didn't even look like much anyways. But yeah, after NFP price dumped like crazy right up into this big 4 hour bearish, giant 4 hour bullish fair value gap, giant 4 hour bullish fair value gap. And yeah, my overall bias was bullish, because I thought we would just react off this and go up. And then we hop on the 5 minute. So we're in the 5 minute now, and as you can see, let me get to where I'm supposed to get to. Here's a 5 minute gap right here, all the way back on Wednesday, and it was respected. And price did not come back down here until today, right here. And we have this, it's a 5 minute rejection, but I just took it off a 2 because this is where I kind of entered off, but it's the same thing. Yeah, put a buy limit right here on the candle body. Had my stop loss at the candle wick. Look at that, it's only about 9.7 points. And I was targeting the actual 5 minute fair value gap up here. But, I don't know, I thought maybe I'd just take 250. Just, you know, I don't know, I didn't want to get like too greedy and look for like $500. So, $500 trade. So then I brought it back down here and I was like, maybe this is right. But then this would have just been like 250 and I was like, nah, because price is clearly gonna rip through there. I'm not gonna just hold it to there and miss out on potential earnings that like I know is gonna come through. Like price is going to tap into this 5 minute gap right here. Like it just makes sense for it to manipulate there. And yeah, I mean, rejecting off a rejection block and a 5 minute gap, it has to go up. But overall, I did kind of just settle for here. I didn't go all the way, but well, I probably would have missed like not even $20, like $10. Break even at this wick. Yeah, very early break even, but by the time we were around almost market open, I had my stop loss at this 1 minute. And yeah, just playing it safe, trailing stop. Yeah, as soon as market open, ripped straight through TP, and honestly, could have targeted higher, but I'm happy with it. We call like 500 on the day. We're only down. I'll check how much I'm down. I'm not gonna check it on here and expose all my stuff, but I should only be down like 120 now before being back to break even, because I was down quite a bit. If you saw my short, but yeah, I think I will. Monday, we'll see what Monday does. I doubt I'll trade Monday, but I'm back on the charts now, after a couple losses. I had to take some time off, but yeah, feeling very happy. Been back testing this for a while now, just trying to figure out how it works. And honestly, I'm very confident, very high conviction. You know, I risked 38.50 today and made 500. So I really do like this kind of entry model. Over in IFVG, just personally, I feel like sometimes you don't even get an IFVG, like a good IFVG. Majority of them. Oh, sorry about that. I'm sick, so yeah, that's why I sound like I'm dying. But majority of IFVGs never close how I would want them to close. In my opinion, I feel like I just a lot of them I would say I don't like. It's never an engulfing candle close, and I'm like I don't want to take that, and then it'll hit. But then the ones that I do take always come back on me, and I don't know. I just feel like I've never mastered the IFVG. It's very annoying. I still know how to do it, so it's not like I'm gonna be stuck to one. I think I'm just gonna go off my own discretion. Like, there was a trade yesterday. I was supposed to hop on yesterday and take a trade, but Tradeovate wasn't allowing me to log in, and yeah, the trade hit. TJR took the trade, so yeah. One thing I've definitely realized is I need to trust my discretion more rather than looking for the actual model. Because I feel like when I look for the model, I'm I'm kind of like a pattern trader. Like I'll be like sweep liquidity, um, F in 5 minute FEG, looking for the 1 minute inversion, take it to my thing, bang, get stopped out. Do you know what I mean? So like it's just a bit of a pattern trade with no story when I look straight for the model. But when I go off my own discretion and I'm like, price is really, really like delivering to where I think price will go. Like, you know, like yesterday there was a nice equal highs. Or it was yesterday or Wednesday, I can't remember, but there was a nice equal highs. I think it was Wednesday. But there was a nice equal highs above and the new week opening gap. And yeah, I took a trade to that, and or I would have taken a trade, but I wasn't on. Like it didn't let me log in. But anyways, the point is that was my draw, and I was like, price started delivering and ripping towards it, and I entered off an IFVG, or I would have entered off IFVG, and that would have hit. And I saw people like TJR and a lot of people in TJR's community and people that learn his model take it. No one, um, no one doing IC like fuck, I'm messing up, but no one trading with ICT concepts and the IFVG model took that trade, and it makes sense because you know it just doesn't fit. Like they need to see certain things, and I just feel like I don't like that because when I start doing that, I'm too mechanical, and then I become a pattern trader, and I always lose. I always lose. So the only time my IFVG entries have hit is when I I see price delivering like crazy off of my narrative towards my draws. So now I think I'm just gonna be more discretionary, find really strong draws, make sure I have enough confluences for price to just and for price to look like it's going there, and then when price starts delivering, just take the entry, and you know I think I'm profitable when I do that. So hunting our first payout, we're 120 down, $120 down from break even, but I'm very confident going into next week, and I just need 5 winning days. 5 winning days of like 500, and I think I'll be good. And I think I'll get that easy. So, yeah, that's about it. Bit of a long video, this one, 9 minutes. Yeah, very happy with this. Might just push this video to 10, just so, I don't know, I get more money or something. I don't know. I get 0 viewers on YouTube. But anyways, that was a great trade recap and a great bit of yap. I think I will start uploading just straight yap videos where like I'll have a session where I'm just talking about psychology or I don't know, just personal experiences and what's helped me throughout my journey in trading. I'm still hunting that first payout, very close. My two mates that trade with me have gotten their first payouts. Mine's right around the corner, inshallah, and yeah, very confident, very happy. I'm not gonna force no trades coming into next week, and I'm most definitely not gonna FOMO out of any. So I'm in a place where I'm very comfortable. Life, I'm very comfortable. I've gotten 2 jobs now, which is what I thought I needed, because being unemployed was like really messed me up in January, and last year, just in the situation that I was, really messed me up, really ruined my psychology. But my psychology is good now, considering I'm doing well in life, and yeah, very happy. Thank you for anyone that will listen and watch this video fully. That's it. Bye.